Dear cadets, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It's Ghulam Izdan, Associate Professor of Statistics from Borishal Cadet College to have a delivery on online class with you. You know, your normal classes are disrupted due to the worldwide crisis COVID-19, but we can't sit idle indicating that problems. That is why we have arranged these online classes so that your learning process may continue at a satisfactory level. Today, we have designed my class on the topic probability. Okay, boys, let's start from learning outcomes. After this lesson, cadets will able to solve the problems of playing cards with probability. Basic concepts of drawing a card. There are 52 cards in a pack. They are divided into 4 suits, that is spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. Each suit contains 13 cards. Now, spades and clubs are black, and hearts and diamonds are red. In each suit are ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Now, opt out problems on playing cards. Probability. Question 1. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of Roman on 2 of spades, Roman 2, a jack, Roman 3, a king of red color, Roman 4, a card of diamond, Roman 5, a king or a queen, Roman 6, a black card, Roman 7, a non-ace, Roman 8, neither a spade nor a jack, Roman 9, neither a heart nor a red king. Now for the solution. Here, total number of cards are 52. Therefore, the total number of cases equal to 52. Now, for the solution Roman on 2 of spades. 2 of spades is 1 out of 52. That is, the favorable cases equal to 1. And the total number of cases equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of getting 2 of spades, that is probability of A equal to number of favorable cases or the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes or the total number of possible outcomes. Here, the favorable cases equal to 1 and the total number of cases equal to 52. That is, the record probability equal to 1 by 52. Now the solution for Roman 2, a jack. There are 4 jack out of 52. Therefore, the favorable cases equal to 4 and the total number of cases equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of getting a jack, probability of B equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, the number of favorable cases equal to 4 and the total number of cases equal to 52. Therefore, the required probability equal to 4 by 52 equal to 1 by 13. Now for the solution, Roman 3, a king of red color. A king of red color is 2 out of 52. That is, the total number of favorable cases equal to 2 and the total number of cases equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of getting a king of red color, that is probability of C equal to the number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here the number of favorable cases equal to 2 and the number of total cases equal to 52. So the required probability equal to 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. Now for the solution 4, a card of diamond. A card of diamond is for 13 out of 52. So the number of favorable cases equal to 13 and the total number of cases equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of getting a card of diamond, that is probability of D equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, number of favorable cases equal to 13 and the total number of cases equal to 52. That is the required probability equal to 13 by 52 equal to 1 by 4. Then the solution for 5, a king or a queen. There are 4 kings and there are also 4 kings. So the total number of favorable cases is equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8 out of 52 and the total number of cases is equal to 52. Therefore, the probability of getting a king or a queen, probability of E equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, the number of favorable cases is equal to 8 and the total number of cases is equal to 52. So the required probability equal to 8 by 52 equal to 2 by 13. Then question Roman 6, a black card. A spade and clubs are black. Number of spade equal to 13 and number of clubs equal to 13. So the total number of black cards out of 52 equal to 13 plus 13 equal to 26. Therefore, the probability of getting a black card equal to probability of A equal to the number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, the total number of favorable cases equal to 26 and the total number of cases equal to 52. That is the record probability equal to 26 by 52 equal to 1 by 2. Now for the solution for Roman 7, a non-S. There are 4 S and the total number of cases equal to 52. Number of S card in each of 4 suits, namely spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs equal to 1. Therefore, the total number of A's card out of 52 equal to 4. Thus, the total number of non-A's cards out of 52 cards equal to 52 minus 4 equal to 48. Therefore, the probability of getting a non-S, that is probability of Z equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, the number of favorable cases equal to 48 and the total number of cases equal to 52. That is the record probability equal to 48 by 52 equal to 12 divided by 13. Now, the question number, neither a spade nor a jack. Neither a spade, that is without a spade. Neither a jack, that is without jack. The number of spade equal to 13. Total number of non-spade out of 52 equal to 52 minus 13 equal to 39, because here 13 are spade. The number of jack out of 52 equal to 4, because there are one jack for each of suit. The number of jack in each three suits, namely hearts, diamonds, and clubs equal to 3. Since one jack is already included in the 13 spades, here we will take number of jack is 3. Neither a spade nor a jack equal to 39 minus 3 equal to 36. Therefore, the probability of getting neither a spade nor a jack, that is probability of A is equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here, the number of favorable cases is equal to 36 and the total number of cases is equal to 52. That is the required probability equal to 36 by 52 equal to 9 by 13. Then Roman, neither a heart nor a red king. Here, number of hearts equal to 13. The total number of non-hearts out of 52 equal to 52 minus 13 equal to 39, because here 13 red cards. Therefore, spades, clubs, and diamonds are the 39 cards. Cards of hearts and diamonds are red. Number of red kings in red card equal to 2. Therefore, neither a heart nor a red king equal to 39 minus 1 equal to 38, since one red card is already included in the 13 hearts. So here we will take number of red kings is 1. Therefore, the probability of getting neither a heart nor a red king, that is probability of I equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Here the total number of cases equal to 52 and the favorable cases equal to 38. So the record probability equal to 38 by 52. That is not 19 by 26. Now for homework. My dear cadets, 8 cards are numbered from 1 to 8. 2 cards are drawn from them without replacement. Question A, write down the sample space. Question B, find the probability of the difference between the two numbers less than or equal to 2. Find the probability of the sum of the two numbers is divisible by 3. And the question number D, find the probability of the difference between the obtained two numbers is not less than 3. Okay, dear cadets, thank you for your sincere participation of my class. I think you will view it again at your own convenience. Another significant point, dear cadets, you must bear in your mind that you are now facing a very crucial moment. COVID-19 has made our life unstable. You should be serious enough to cope up this situation with mass care and responsibility. Please don't go outside at any rate. Remain confined completely within your own residence. Enjoy the prolonged vacation and make your study regularly. Spend your pleasant moments with your parents, brothers, sister at your own residence. Stay home and fine, dear cadets. Thank you.